Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is John. I'm an AEC software consultant at Pentagon Solutions. And today I've got a video kind of more about the software that's become available mainly this month and how to manage users and how to actually get your licenses working for that. It's something we get a lot of questions about, especially with all the 2021 software coming out. So today I'm going to run you through how to get the software from your Autodesk Desktop App. I'm going to show you a user online account. I'm also going to show you an admin online account in the classic view. A lot of you guys might have the new view as well, so we're going to cover that. So just to give you an idea, 2021 software started coming out start of the month, end of last month. So on your machine, if you've any software installed, you will have the Autodesk Desktop App. So you click on it, you're going to get a page like this. So in here, you'll get pretty much all the software that's been assigned to you by your admins. So this is all the software I've got available at the minute. I've been doing a bit of a kind of cleanup of my machine. So all I have installed right now on this machine is Revit 2021. So you can see here it's installed, so it's allowed me to launch it. But within here, anything that has come out, you can agree to terms and conditions and you can install directly from your desktop app. Now, it's probably the easiest option for users who need to just go ahead and install that. So click the button, click install, follow the wizard for installing new products. Beyond that, whenever you have, so standalone licenses will be signed in at the top here. So whenever you sign in using your Autodesk sign-in, it will basically ping a license out to everything you have access to. If I go to account details and I go to assess my complete list of products and services, it's going to take me to this page here. Go to the home page first. So this is what you get when you log in. You'll get some kind of, there's a basic tour, some basic information, support, that sort of thing. How many product updates have become available? Again, the more products you have access to, the more updates you're going to find. So if I go to all products and services, again, this will show me what I have access to. And from here, so the likes of 3S Max, for example, with a subscription, you get the newest version plus 3 previous. So we've got 21, 2020, 19, and 18 available to us now. There's different download methods. Again, there's install now, which is what the Autodesk Desktop App uses. Or you can change it to a browser download or a download now. Download now is pretty good. You get pretty much all the install files download directly on your machine, and all you have to do is run the setup, pick a location for install, that sort of thing. We'll maybe cover that in a separate video. We're not going to run through all that now, but you can change that, and you can actually set that up to be your desired method from your settings. So there's kind of a little cog up in the top right. So my default in general is just install now. But you can change that to download now or browser download, whatever you're more comfortable using. So this is what a user will see whenever they log in. They're really going to see what they have available to them. To assign licenses to users, so this is where we jump into the admin side of things. I'm going to jump over to a separate account here. So within the admin account, as I say, we can add a user in here, email, first name, last name. They will then appear in the list. So we're going to go to Harry just because he's got serial products and services at the minute. And click on Edit Access. So in here, you'll now see all your software that you have available, the seats available to give out to another user. So all we need to do then is pick whatever one we want to pick, tick the box for assign, and save it. So now whenever that user comes back to their Autodesk Desktop App, they will now see that product in this list. I can go ahead and install it. As long as you're still signed in up here, they will still be able to ping a license for that software. It'll still work straight away. And that's all there is to it for the classic user management. Again, same idea works if you want to take software off people. If I open up my own here, so I can see got a lot of products in here. say I need to take away a 3ds Max license if we didn't have any available. Take it off me, click save, go to another user, and we tick the box, hit save again, and that's it. You can also get a report of seat usage from within this account as to what's being used, what's not. If you do have quite a substantial list of people, can be exported as well. So what's been used and what's been used in the last 3 months. So if you notice people who have licenses but aren't really using them, work your way through it, check your details, maybe go back, assess whether they need a license, remove it from them, give it to someone else who does need it. Again, you can do that by product as well. So there you go. You can view that in more detail, and you can export CSV for your records as well if need be. Cloud services, like your BIM 360, collaboration for Revit, all sort of stuff. 3D review, that's a different one. And you can check it by user as well. So I hope you find that useful. We're going to get together a video for the new user management as well, some information on it for you guys. It's a slightly different setup. It's not too different. The same sort of principles apply, but it looks different, feels different. So we will run through that as well, as we'll get another video made for that. So guys, keep an eye on YouTube and Twitter for more information. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on the YouTube or reply on Twitter as well. And if it's something that's asked a lot of, we will make a video for it to answer your questions. So I appreciate you guys for checking in, having a look at this. I know we're getting a lot of questions about it, so thank you very much, and we will see you in the next video.
Hi, and welcome to the Account User Management video for administrators. We will be reviewing how to add and remove users, search through users and products, and how to edit users' permissions of products. All of these actions can be done in one easy-to-use place, your Autodesk account. Let's jump right in. So go ahead and sign in here. After doing so, make sure to go to the Management tab, and then click Users. For your personal preference, there are two views available, the Product View and the User View. The Product View is for those who want to manage users by products. In this view, you can easily see unused seats and quickly fill them to make sure that you're getting the most use out of your purchased products. The User View is a clear way to manage users, as they are all listed for you to assign products to. These two views also have two available layouts that you can toggle here. No matter your preference in seeing users and products, there is a layout for you. To add a user, click the Add User icon and enter the user's first and last name followed by email address using the format first name, last name, email address. Separate multiple users with a semicolon. Then just click Send Invite. It's as simple as that. You can also add users in the product view using the exact same process. It's up to you which view makes more sense to add users in. The added users will get an email that looks like this, which will prompt them to accept your invite. New users can set up their account right then and there. Existing users will get a notification that they have access to a new product. New users' names will appear as pending in your account so you can be up to date with their status. Existing users will appear as active instead of pending. After they accept, they have instant access to products. If you want to find a certain product or user in a long list of items, you can use the magnifying glass to search for who or what you need. This capability allows you to make changes to users' access without having to scroll through a long list. For users, as you can see, you can search by first name, last name, or email address. For products, search by title. Just start typing, and the account will start searching for you. Now I'll show you how you can assign a user a product. All you have to do is check the box of the product you want them to be assigned. Just uncheck the box if you ever want to unassign them. Once you assign a user a product, they get automatic support and cloud services, and you can turn off their cloud services anytime you want. Next, I'll show you how to edit permissions of a user. If you wish to make a user a secondary administrator or vice versa, all you have to do is click this box here and choose from the options. Now I'll show you how to delete a user. All you have to do is scroll over their name to see the trash can and confirm yes that you want to delete them. This delete user capability is useful if, for example, you have an intern for a limited amount of time. Once they're finished using the software, all you have to do is delete them right here in your account. Managing users is really that easy. Let's review. You can add and remove users in either the products or user view, whichever makes the most sense for you. And you can search for users or products just by typing in a name, title, or email address. You can assign a user product just by clicking on their name and checking a box. You can update their permissions right over here to the left.